Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about what I use my phone most for. So every morning I wake up, check my emails, check messages, check my phone calls. I never ever switch my phone off, it's always near my side. So I'm constantly on it all day. The most important thing about my mobile is the camera. I love taking pictures and sending emails to friends. Also, you love using the apps like Skype to video call my friends as well. The most important thing to me about the tariff is minutes. I'm constantly on the phone all the time. If somebody sends me a text, I'll quickly pick the phone up, ring them, and I've never got it out of my hand. So if I'm shopping or coffees, it's constantly in my hand, and that's what I love about my phone.
Hello, I'm Rachel. I just want to tell you a little bit about how I use my phone. I basically pick it up in the morning. It's the first thing I look at. Check my text messages just to see if I've got any, see how popular I am today. I always check the weather. I like to check my emails as well because I get quite a lot of like shopping mails and stuff like that. I use it for internet banking. Actually, it's really good. It's got apps on it as well. I need a phone with apps. You've got to have one. Everyone uses it. You can use it when you're out and about. Check how much money you've got in your bank. Want to go shopping? Spend it. I like to make sure that I've always got the weather on there as well, like I said. I like to know a bit about the world, so I read about the news and stuff. Again, apps are a massive thing. I constantly use it, to be honest. I just text all the time. I think it's really important for me to have unlimited data because I need to be on my phone all the time. If I go to the beach, I'm sitting on my phone. I've constantly got them apps running, and I'm again checking my emails all the time. The internet's a massive thing for me. I do use quite a lot of text as well, so I'm constantly texting people. I think that's really important because it keeps you up to date with people. And there's people that you don't want to see all the time, to be honest, that you can catch up with just by a quick text. Let them know that you're there.
Hi folks, I'm Stu. I work at the Gateshead Movie Centre. I'm just going to quickly talk about why my phone's important to me. I currently have the Samsung Xperia Arc. Probably my favourite phone. I think it's better than the iPhone, to be honest with you. Reason I think it's better than the iPhone is because of the Android apps. Now I'm a big app user. I use apps all over the place. So if I'm out shopping, I like to know where I get bargains. And obviously, because I need to do that, I need to have decent data output. So obviously, in a lot of the places, shopping centres, they don't have Wi-Fi. So I'm using my online data that I get from Virgin, which is really important to us. Because if I didn't have that, I wouldn't find the best deals in the shops, basically. So wherever I go, I'm virtually on the internet. So the most important thing to me is the internet on this phone, which is probably for most consumers in the country. And that's all we use our phones for now. So when we're out and about, there's not that many hotspots, and even if there is, 9 times out of 10 they're on ADSL lines, so the speed of it's not even that good on them because a lot of people are accessing it. So with our 3G capacity and obviously the higher rate speed downloads, sometimes I can get 7 meg on my line, which is probably faster than most hotspots on ADSL line. So that's basically what I like to do. I love apps and everything. Have a nice day.
Hi, I'm Helen. I currently have a HTC handset. I use it for everything. Busy mum on the go, so I use it when I'm out and about. So it's good when I'm trying to look for Christmas presents on the sly. So unlimited data there that I use. I use my phone for nearly everything. I have Facebook on there. I have access to my emails because through my job, unfortunately, I can't use the internet or my phone all the time. So I do check that when I need to, being a busy lady that I am. Things that I do really like on my handset personally are my camera. Obviously when I'm out and about with the kids, if I take them to the park or whatever, it's good to have snapshots of their little life as they're going through the way that they are. And being a busy mum, obviously you've got lots of other mums to talk to, so my texts and my calls are very important to what I actually use personally and what I actually have on my own terrace.
I'm Sam. I use my phone all the time. I've got an old phone and I just use it to text on. Make a few odd calls, but mainly it's texting. My tariff is an unlimited texting tariff. I don't use it for apps, I don't use it for the interweb, because I think it'll just confuse us. My mobile itself, the handset, is an old handset, and I just like it because it's basic.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm just going to give a little bit of information on how about using my phone. I wake up in the morning or even in the middle of the night. First thing I do is get on the phone and check my Facebook, because I'm a massive Facebook addict, so I check my phone. The reason why I love my phone is because of the great apps it's got as well. I've got the new Galaxy S2, which is a brilliant phone. You need to have a lot of good internet connectivity as well. You use a lot of internet, so you need to have a great application, great powered server, and great internet as well, because I use a lot of internet on my phone. So I use it for a lot of calls as well, but mainly the main thing I use it for is the application, which is powered by Android, and the data as well, because I'm online all the time. If I'm out, if I take a picture on my phone, I'll upload it to Facebook and Twitter straight away, and then I can print it off and stuff like that. But data, like the internet for me on my phone, is so important. It's really, really good to have an Android powered phone with a lot of data as well. And one of the great things is it is unlimited, so I can use it as much as I want. No matter how much I use it, I'm never going to get charged for it. It's really good. So instead of like using Wi-Fi, which is sometimes a little bit kind of connect all the time, so any problems with it, you can use it on your phone, which is brilliant. I use my camera pretty much all the time. I'm really into taking pictures. I like taking pictures in my spare time, photography and stuff, so anywhere I go, if I see that's cool, the camera on the Galaxy S2 is 8 megapixels, so it's really good, so really clear and well pixelated, and I use it for mainly text. I'm a big text user. I think I've used like 5,000 texts in the last 3 months, so I use loads of text. It's again the internet, use it all the time, and I use a lot of calls as well, ring loads of people. That's what happens when you're probably in person, I suppose.
Hi, I'm Chris and I use Windows 7.5 on Mango. I use my phone extensively because everything's integrated, so I socialise with all my friends through Twitter and Facebook. I use it to keep in contact with my friends on Xbox Live, so I can play games, increase my gamer score. I use for my GPS and sat nav because I'm like go and run and keep fit a lot, so I use my GPS when I'm out and about to keep time of it. I also use my sat nav when I'm out and about driving in my car, so it keeps it up to date. Most important thing there is the integration on everything, because everything's live and up to date. It's all in one place. I don't have to go into different services like different websites. It's just one page. And the most important thing to me is probably my signal, my GPS, and the integration as well, and unlimited data, because I do use it a lot and it keeps up to date. It's like live feeds coming from BBC websites and everything like that.